Gira no idirete nindu na kaitaka yanko atuni Nteto cha Weru Thaa Ithatu oropo ruari ya mwera tukirite rito Nteto tieto. Igamba ria mugiko kimuthia sniper kwambira kuthikirwa na arua riguterwa egoro. Mutongeri abo rabaingethera kanithi gwetigiria kwina wandi mwitigie itegairi kigi na kiri mwaka yo ya thirikari. Bangani aba UDA mero kwira kiraitu ethire nindi ageta kurie oguni kumakiria Azimio ti Kenya Kwanza nontu kwina thirikari irio nende ya broad based. Ndigo chumire kuga mero ne bati kwithira ina minister baire bakendekithia Kadhuri Mungi. Mwanatoa madhidi orobo ni Purity Richard na ngeto PHINEAS. IMAANA tudeo tukotana ira mwanka mudhiano waketiro kiola wakinyanyu Nteto kwena kalono. Nteto chero Nteto ikambiria dhaichu chiongwa igambare kukia Daniel Mudhiani ura wije kene munota sniper ili ambire iria kuthikiro eruare nyuma ya guterwe ogoro ntumirie kwa yanua kiri koti ati mugambithania na yetwe kuthikirwa kwa igambare iria sniper irikito nindi mwanka tariki 13 na 16 cha Oktoba mwaka yo igoro ruterwa athuganirwa ni baroritie kuthagano maratasi yonde ya nditango unto deputy registrar abori gwikinya kirirwa ngiro chunkoni kuyukia maratathi ya Boniface Mongera na utwambirie chio.
Mugambithania Dora Chepkoni okoti ya Kiambu na tititi na mbere kuthikirwa kwa igambara Daniel Mudhiani kana sniper mwaka tariki 13 tariki 16 na tariki 30 cia mweri wa 10 mwaka jotore.
I will however allow for an adjournment and keep the matter other hearing dates.
Igambarero kari kuthikirwa ntuko enarwa endirira maro kwithira rigita na mbere nyume mawakiri bathuganira kwithira bakirumira na bakiuga bo batitaire kwithira bakiambire kuthikirwa nontu kwino okujibara nenkerwa ntuko egoro na batiro na kanya kang'anu kakubutegera bunthe wakiri Musyoka mwakiri Elias Motuma iba moba mwakiri bathuganirwa.
It would be prejudicial to commence this hearing without having fully interacted with those documents.
The only thing you have not been able to supply out of the list of 15 are the photographs, because again my scanner cannot scan these photographs, so we have to agree how to do it. And these are just reconstruction of the scenes.
Koje bwambishira sharing mabitha ba DCI kumara sine Pedro akionekana murojo motonga na gondo kunde kura bakurukire bakijuka yokoje amwambisha sha koje ni mweretere karukire mawakiri baba thuganirwa bakyo banenkira shontu kwenarwa na batumba kuendelea na gitumi kingi igambarire dirigite na mbere mwaka murojo kwa mwaka jotore kwethro rwangiro gambithania kana prosecution bakwethro bakire to koje bobweru kwa statement cha umburi kana gechongo confession statement kumakire athuganirwa ontu buranga roko yengi nabu mawakiri bathuganirwa batetere na bakanira bakwenda kanyaga kagiga gutotegera statement iji kenda kuibanga.
Speaking, I was going through the documents and there are new witness statements which are even for my clients, which my dear colleague could not even have the courtesy to give me the heads up on. Now, the witnesses who are in court today, I was ready to proceed with them, but what they are also alluding to is those pictures which we are yet to see. That's all they are referring to.
They do not talk about the photos.
They do. Many of them are speaking, oh, we saw it, this policeman took a picture. They are referring to everything in terms of that, but Your Honor, we cannot proceed on those grounds.
All the parties are in courts, including our witnesses who have been here since Monday.
Koje batano batongereti mwakuro motigere sniper, Irene, Mamio sniper, Faiza Karambu, Ibamwe, bakubanga nitokojira ntukwenarwa. Nke reporter Ntoshoro TV, kumaja kotine Kiambu, kautine Kiambu, Mbita Boniface Mongera.
Utugeria baraba ingine ni mbunge ya darakanithi Luke Murengo ria muthianite kiritio wandi mwenende county unende itigairike gina kire mwaka yoyo thirikari 2025-2026 adwa kuri maitia ya thithekire kirogaibo na niya kumenyeka na nende ntopukethira buketungatarwa kenda wandi chonde gune kabubo yete nyuma ya MCS bamwe kumira werone na gutariria wandi choi cha thuri kirogaibo kigina kikyo wetina mbere Martin Mugambi na kulikithia
kububania ciambanjenti ya kaunti ya Tharaka-Nithi mwanka wa 2025 2026 ithiete na mbere mukariri giti wa baraba ingi kiri bunge ya kaunti